Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my laptop in front of me and I have the rest of the course breakdowns written out. So I'm going to go through all of them, get them all done, and then over the next few days finish uploading them. I think I have about 8 left. So you guys are going to get a lot of these in the next few days, but I want them done and out of the way. We're almost halfway through, not quite. We're nearing mid-August, but the point is that people are getting ready for school now, and depending on what year you're going into, the whole idea of doing these in the summer was so that you had kind of like a little breakdown and you had an idea of how to prepare. So I want to get them done as fast as possible. I'm sure a few of them will be done in the same outfit. Never mind that. You already know now that they were all done in the same day anyways, so like, I'll try to, maybe if I'm not lazy, I'll try to switch up the outfits a little bit and then it'll feel like they were all filmed on different days, but they weren't. This course breakdown video is going to be focused on digital electronics. So this was one of my absolutely favorite classes. It is another one of the courses that I actually had some exposure to in high school. So in high school, part of our technology program was that we got to work with small electronics, like building tiny little circuits with breadboards. If you don't know what a breadboard is, this is it right here. It doesn't look, I mean, I guess it looks like a breadboard. It's just a little tester board so that you can test out circuits and see how they work and that kind of thing. So I did do a little bit of it in high school, that kind of thing, just like putting little things together and seeing how they work, even if it is very simplistic. So and what I did in high school, as I just mentioned with the breadboards, is the same as what we do in this course for the labs. So we did spend every lab period working on building different circuits, seeing what they could do, making ones that would like make little LEDs light up, or kind of simulating counting in binary using a row of LEDs and that kind of thing. So the outline for this course is as follows. So we got an introduction to digital logic, so logic gates, combinational circuit analysis, using Boolean algebra and Carnot maps, I don't know, it's spelled weird. Number systems and codes, minimization techniques applied to combinational logic systems, flip-flops, multivibrators, counters, and shift registers. It's a whole lot of stuff. So all of that simplification that has to do with Boolean algebra has to do with when you're actually creating sort of a schematic diagram for how your circuit is going to run. So you'll learn more about it if you have no exposure to it. It works with these things called gates. So there's like AND gates, NOT gates, OR gates, as well as lots of fun combinations of all of them. And it's basically just drawing out how to make a circuit and then using very simple, they're different, but they're simple mathematical techniques in order to minimize and optimize that circuit so that it's like as efficient as it can be and so that it uses the least amount of gates. So yeah, I'd say that it is actually pretty basic, and if you like doing kind of hands-on stuff, it's very fun and it's really cool once you kind of have your own little circuit built and you get to like actually hook it up to power and program it and then watch like the lights turn on and troubleshoot it. I found that kind of stuff very, very interesting. Yeah, so then you also learn about, as I mentioned, flip-flops, counters, shift registers. So sort of very basic forms of physical memory and how they all work together to actually create the systems that we have these days. I do want to stress again, and I think that it'll be similar in other schools, it is a very basic course. So if you get scared because you're like, oh my god, I'm actually using electricity now and I'm gonna kill someone, do not worry. I really liked this course, thought it was really fun. I don't think we had a textbook for it. So yeah, that's pretty much the general outline of digital electronics. I found it was pretty easy and entertaining and easy to kind of stay on top of because of how interesting the things were that we were learning about, but that may be personal preference. So if you have any specific questions about the course, leave them down below and I will answer them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to smile and I will see you in my next video. Bye.